Hello, welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda from Mexico, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful scarf. It's very easy and super simple. I hope you like it. I made this scarf with maxi long from Alice with just one yarn, a skein of yarn. You are going to make this beautiful scarf. So it's perfect if you crochet to sell. Well, this is the perfect project to make it because it's very easy, it's super fast, and you are going to use only one skein of yarn. What I love the most of this garment is that you can use it in so many different ways, and I love also the colors. Look, I will show you how you can use it. Well, this is one way. You can wear it like this, or you can wear it also with this part here around your neck, like a little bit more loose, like to look more modern, or you can use it with these two sides over your shoulders, and you can put a button here. You can decorate like with different buttons, and in this case I use coconut buttons. These buttons we have available in my online store. You can find in this shape, circle shapes, or you can find it also in flowers, hearts, squares, and like this you can make it and you can wear it in different shapes. What I love the most of this project too is that this yarn is faded, the colors are faded, so it goes from white to gray in this case. But well, I will give you the material list to start right away. For this long scarf, we are going to need one skein of yarn of 250 grams of maxi long from Alice, and one crochet hook of number 9 or 10, according how you crochet. Okay, at the end I will share the address and the phone numbers when you can get all of these materials. So let's start. We are going to start this scarf from one corner with one thread of this maxi long, and we are going to start making 3 chains. 1, 2, we are going to tie it a little bit, and 3. Grab your yarn, and in the second chain, like this, we insert the hook, and you are going to make half double crochet, and in the next one too, 1/2 double crochet. And like this, we are going to start the scarf. Now turn around, grab your yarn again, and without making change in the first stitch, we are going to make 2, taking only the back part of the chain, like this. And again, grab your yarn, and in the next stitch, we are going to make the same. Look, I'm going to take this part of the chain, and again. Okay, now turn around, and again without making chain, grab your yarn, and you are going to make 2 in the first stitch. And like this the whole row. We are going to continue like this as many rows as we need. At the end we have to have 18 stitches. Here in the beginning we have 2, then 4, and here at the beginning of this row we made 2, then in the next stitches we are going to make just 1, and at the end we are going to make 2 again. Sometimes we get confused where we have to insert the hook. Well, look, here we have this thread, and here is where we are going to insert. Then in the last stitch we are going to make 2. And like this we are going to continue increasing 2 stitches each side until we have 18. I will do it again so you can see how it is. Well, remember this stitch is grave stitch because we are only taking the back part of the chain. Okay, so let's continue. At the end you will have something like this. You have here 18 stitches. Well, now you are going to only increase here, and you are going to leave 1 stitch here without crochet, and we are going to create this shape. like this is the side where we are going to increase, I suggest that you use a marker to point it out. Well, here is where we are going to make 2 stitches together, and in the next stitches we are going to make 1. Remember, taking the back part of the chain like this the whole row. I will stop here because it's very important that you count your stitches in each row. Here we have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. As I told you, the last one I won't crochet it because I want to make a different shape in this part. Now turn around, and I'm not going to crochet the first one. Remember that this is the side where we are reducing. So, and remember, where is the marker is where we are going to increase, where we are going to continue like we were making before, making 1 stitch in each chain. I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. Well, remember that at the beginning we are not going to crochet here, and we are going to skip 1 to reduce. And it's very important that you always count 18 stitches in each row. I really enjoy crochet with this hook. I feel very comfortable, and also the yarn, it's so beautiful, very good quality. I love how it feels. Well, I'm going to count the stitches to see how many I have, because I didn't count them at the beginning. Remember that I told you that you have to count them always. Well, this is not a stitch, so here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to count them again because I feel that I didn't count correct. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and the last 2. Remember that here I'm going to make 2 stitches together to increase, because remember that in this side we are going to always increase. Well, so now you know, you are always going to reduce here in this side and increase here to make this shape. Well, I get ahead a little bit. As I told you, I started from here and then I started to reduce here. Remember that in this side I'm not going to crochet the first one, and then I'm going to skip the next one. And here I'm going to increase 2 in each row, and look how it looks. I love how the colors are fading. I love it. Look at all the colors. I love this combination, but also we have more combinations I will show you. Here in the place where I am, we have all of these different colors. Look at them. So you are going to choose the combination that you more love, and remember that we are going to continue like this. You have to count always that you have 18 stitches in all the rows. Well, I'm going to continue like this, and I will show you how we are going to decor this beautiful garment. Okay? You are going to finish until you finish the yarn. Well, when you finish a skein of yarn, you are going to make 1 chain, pull a little bit, and then this thread you are going to hide it through all the project, like this. Well, look, what do you think? I love how it goes because it is slanted in this way, and we crochet straight, and this is because we increase only in one side and we decrease only in one side. So I love this technique. I hope that you like it too. And look at the colors, they are like fading from blue, dark blue to gray and then white. I love it. Look, and at the end I decored this project with 2 buttons. As I told you, I choose them because they are from coconut, and there are a lot of different shapes you can make. You can put a big button there, but it's up to you as you wish. You can make it like this or not, okay? Well, be sure that you hide all of these threads. I think that this braid can be perfectly fit in a woman or in a man, in an older woman, in a young woman. I think everybody can wear it. Well, I will show you how. I will show you the basic way how you can wear it. I love this way because like this yarn is fading. It's like the colors are fading. Well, you can use it you can start with the dark color at the beginning. So while you are putting around your neck, the colors are appearing and I love how it looks, look. And then from here you can use the buttons to anchor the scarf, and well, also you can use a brooch like you want. As I told you, it's up to you. You can use it in many different ways. You can make it in different colors with different combinations. You can use it with all one side under, or you can leave both sides falling through your body, and then you can use a belt in your waist, and I think it will look beautiful too. Or you can also make a match. You can make a hat too with this same yarn, and you can have your complete outfit, and I think it will look beautiful too. You can make a flower. Remember that in other videos I show you how you can make flowers, so you can make flowers to decor this scarf or leave it like that. I give you one option that is using the buttons, but it's up to you. Well, I hope that you like it, and let's see it how it looks. I will share some pictures of how I look. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you have enjoyed making this scarf with me. It's so easy and super fast, so I told you at the beginning of the video. If you crochet for sale, well, this is the perfect garment to start your business. Remember that you can buy it and you can find the yarn in my online store, www.lauracepeda.es, and there you will see all the different colors that we have and different combinations, and you can make different outfits with this idea. I'm sure you will pop your creativity and you will look beautiful to give the welcome to this season. Right now we are starting autumn, but right in the corner it's winter, so it will be perfect for both seasons. I know that right now in some part of the world, right now it's so cold. Well, this is the perfect opportunity to start making your products for this season. Well, remember that also visit all my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. There I share different content, different pictures, and I'm sure you will love it too. And well, last but not least, I wanted to tell you and I wanted to remember you that I have the warehouse in Madrid. If you are close to Spain, well, you can visit us here. I will leave the address where is the warehouse, and we will be very happy to see you there. There you can find all the different colors, and there you will see the different kinds of yarns that we have, all the accessories and all the magazines. So please visit the warehouse, and also please, if you have any doubt how you can order online or where we are exactly, where is our exact location, please contact us, send us an email or call us, and we will be very happy and very glad to receive your call, okay? Well, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share and leave all your comments. Thanks for watching. I love you so much. Bye!